Here we have a sad math question. Okay, let's go with the question. A school classroom with a total of 4,200 floor tiles is divided into a 3 square foot lab area and an 80 square foot seating area. The number of tiles on the entire classroom floor can be represented by the equation 30A positive 80B equals to 4,200. In this context, which of the following does B represent? Okay, so let's consider the given equation, that is 30A positive 80B equals to 4,200. Actually, the number of tiles is represented by this equation. So because on the right side we have 4,200, so this is actually the total number of floor tiles. Okay, so here, since this 4,200 represents the total number of floor tiles, so this quantity and this quantity, both the quantities must represent the number of floor tiles. Since 30 is the lab area, so this must represent the number of floor tiles in the lab area, and since 80 represents the seating area, this 80B must represent the number of floor tiles in the seating area. Okay, so here 30 represents the lab area. Then what this A must represent? A must represent the number of tiles in each square foot of the lab area. So that when I multiply this number of tiles in each square foot of lab area by the lab area 30, we'll be getting the total number of tiles in the lab area. So the same thing. 80 represents the seating area. So B must represent the number of tiles in each square foot of seating area. So that when we multiply the number of tiles per square foot of seating area by the area of seating area, so we'll be getting the total number of tiles in the seating area. So the number of tiles in the lab area, the total number of tiles in the seating area, when we add them, we'll be getting the total number of tiles in the entire area. So B must represent the number of tiles in each square foot of the seating area. So according to, when we go over the options, here clearly the option C is correct, because so B, we have to find out what does B represent. So the average number of tiles per square foot in the seating area. So the correct answer choice for this question is option C.